Within the builder, there are three areas of importance from where you will be accessing pre-made blocks, all the elements, and publishing functions. The main areas, the biggest area, this is your canvas. It starts with this prompt that says start building your page. This is your page. This is where you will be building out your website pages. If you click on it, it opens the block manager from where you can access the pre-made blocks, create your own, as well as pre-made layouts to choose from, saved blocks that you may have already, as well as global blocks. To bring in a new block, you simply click on it and it will bring it in automatically. On the left, you have a sidebar with a lot of options that control how the page looks, the styling, as well as options for this project. At the very top is where you will be accessing your CMS, the Content Management System. This includes all the control over your pages, your blogging, stories, pop-ups, and alerts, and also adding users and creating custom assets. You create menus over here, and you add also new pages, remove pages, delete pages, same with posts. Project settings also allow you to access your SEO functions, sharing, system pages like maintenance and coming soon, translation options to put your site into bilingual or multilingual website, adding custom CSS if you want so, or also code injection, working with webhooks, and then also setting up redirects. Below the CMS menu, you have the Elements drawer. This panel contains all the building blocks that you need to create your pages, from your text elements to accordions, login functions, media functions like images, video, Facebook, social media, and then blogging features as well. Under that, you have the reorder blocks option. Every time you drag a new block onto the page, it will create a thumbnail here, and this is where you can drag them around to reorder them. Below that, you have styling. This gives you powerful control over adjusting the styling for any website on the fly in terms of colors and fonts. And below that is a collaboration tool. This opens a mirror copy of your site in a new browser, allowing you to leave comments and remarks on what the page has with other collaborators that can in turn put their comments there so that you know what you are working with. Still with the sidebar on the left, you'll notice here in the bottom, three more options. The first one is your responsive viewing, tablet design, and mobile design. Below that, some page options. You can view it as a default, not logged in person or logged in. And then you have language show options below that. The last option in the sidebar on the left is to learn more about us, support section, shortcuts, and to exit back to the dashboard. Finally, the toolbar in the bottom right-hand corner. Here you access the publishing options. You can clear the layout, you can save it, you can publish the page or switch it to a saved draft. Next to that, you have preview options as well as undo and redo. And then you have the option to show hidden elements.